Merry Christmas.
Yeah, Happy New Year, you filthy animal.
We're here. It's Ruben again.
What's up, guys?
Going up the cross. Screw the trail. Came on the backside. I'm just gonna go straight up it. Then we're gonna continue it all the way down. Get down there and up this cave. Have lunch, chill. Well, yeah. Tell you how it is. So that's what we climbed so far. We're still going up. Continue to the top. Made it all the way up here. Right up this mountain. Straight up. There. Hey, how you doing? Look at him. You can do it.
Oh!
Yep. Look at that. Merry Christmas, everyone. Wow. It's Christmas. Look at all that snow all around us. That looks nice. Nice little hike. Now we gotta go up that way, boom boom, all the way down. Post up and have some lunch. Get out of here and make it in time for Christmas dinner.
Alright guys, the degrees around here is about 55 degrees. Northwest, south, going that way.
This is that kind of stuff that pisses me off. Like this once was Native American grounds right here. As you can see, water collects and everything for animals. Someone keeps taking down the cross up there, and I guess Ruben just found it. So there's a nice little spot right here. I like to camp out. All right, well, Ruben found the cross. We know where it ended up now. Wow. Sucks. I don't know who did that, but that's messed up.
Look at that piece too, look at it. Like,
Yeah, they sawed it all off.
Yeah.
All mad and rage with their 666. Look at this bullshit. Stupid. Like, why even take out your frustrations on destroying the earth? Why? It makes no sense. Damn. Thought I'd seen it all. This is insane. Lousy monkeys. These guys are acting straight at children. Destroying the habitat, and it's stupid. Stupid. I don't know.
do it right.
Dude.
Oh, somebody built that one. Look at it. Oh, look, it's like a bunny or something. Yeah, look.
Yeah.
Well, that's bad. Okay.
Oh, that's cool. Look at that.
Oh, look at it. It's like something right here. Look at it. Yeah?
That's cool. Check this out. That's cool. Look at that.
It's a bear.
That's cool. It's a chimney.
Oh,
Yeah, look at that.
look at that.
Oh yeah. That's cool, dude.
They got like meetings right here.
Looks like Donkey Kong's face on that rock. Doesn't it?
Yeah.
It's Donkey Kong.
He looks like a turtle too. Look at it.
That's cool, dude.
Oh, yeah, big piece of wood.
Oh, this is a spot right here.
Oh. Nobody's living here.
Yeah, this is cool.
There's another car right
I'm
here.
going down this trail now.
What they
Came
call
from
Lone
up here.
Survivor? Oh, no.
Yeah.
They're like,
Yeah. Oh, almost man down.
like, let's go.
Yeah. Rock slide. So we're gonna hit that trail.
There's a rock slide with rolling rock. Hey, didn't we camp one time in this area? Well, we camped right there. Somewhere right here, remember? The first time we camped?
Stalking us.
This shit right here growing, look at life. Look, Albert.
Oh yeah, look at that. Nice. Check this big old thing out. Look at that. Oh my goodness. It's humongous. This is why I call this area the oasis. Water. That's water. Look at that.
Oh, so you can right here?
Dig deeper and you can get water out of there.
Oh.
Yep.
Look over here. Look on.
Yeah, look at that water. Ow. Look, I set it up right here
Legit?
so you can camp out there
Yeah.
or right here. Look at all this firewood. We're having some lunch at the Oasis. Ruben's is already boiling. Nice. Good old fashioned fire.
Old school.
And I just put mine on. So it's not even near boiling yet.
Look at that.
Look at that. Done. He can make his mountain house already. Now I gotta wait. 'Cause I'm
Old school
stuck-
versus new school.
Yeah.
Huh.
Yep.
Message.
Started right up fast too. Look at this area. Beautiful. I don't know if you can see them, but check it out. There's somebody hiking up there. Center of the screen.
On Christmas.
On
That's why I
Christmas,
think it's
just
a
like
Christmas
us. That's pretty cool.
That's rare.
Yeah, that's a rare sight here.
To see him, that's like what? First time we see someone hiking up here?
Yeah, first time. Well, for Ruben, yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, I've seen one other guy and that's it. Two other guys and that's it. And we're gonna get out of here now because we gotta go. But it was fun. Cleaning up our mess. Go
Always pick up trash.
hiking out of here now. It's a nice little hike. It was okay. Hike it down there somewhere. It was cool. See them go out for Christmas Day hike. Alright.
There's even a trail right there. Look at that one. Look at
Yeah, you see it way up there?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool. Nice. Now we're out of here, hiking out.
Hey, you on camera, huh?
Oh yeah. Oh wow. That's a nice view. That's where we're at. That's San Bernardino Mountains. Dang.
Yeah, maybe it's had full. It's all
It's
empty.
a white Christmas out there.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's real nice. We're on this trail here. Getting out of here. So here we go. There's our destination down there. Someone will be picking us up right there. As soon as the sun starts going down, it gets kind of cold, huh?
Yeah.